Right now, the radar showing most of the activity down off mainland Monroe and into Collier County. You can see a few lightning strikes there over the southern parts of mainland Monroe and Miami-Dade. For us, it's the heavy rain that continues to train onshore here near Marco Island and off towards Everglades City. Let's start here with Marco, where the first cell is moving across the island here, but heavier rain is out over the Gulf waters. And you can see that rain tapering off as we take a little closer look from Landmark Street all the way over towards Whiskey Creek. Some of the heavier rain. The other cell that we're watching along State Road 29 near the Big Cypress Preserve and north there of Everglades City. And then a little farther north, we've had a shower move across I-75. This one will continue to weaken as it moves across 29 north of the interstate. We do have a shower a little farther north on 29 between Felda and north of County Road 830. So this will continue to weaken as it moves inland, and you can see real quick a couple of showers moving right over Port Charlotte. So yesterday we managed to pick up a little over a quarter inch of rain. The record on the date over 5 1/4. That was back in 1912. And we look at our rainfall deficits for the year, and for the month we're just behind 0.01. So we're pretty much right on track. And year to date in Fort Myers, a little over 1.25 inches. So right now, as you step outside, we're in the low 80s in the Cape, Sanibel, Fort Myers, all the way down towards Marco, and mid 70s inland. The reason is that onshore flow, which will continue today out of the west, 5 to 10, is starting off early out of the southwest. So very humid. We'll see the winds up to 10 here this afternoon, and the forecast does call for temperatures around 90. Some of us will stay in the upper 80s. Officially at Page Field yesterday, we hit 88. The rainfall kept it just a little cooler. The broader view as we head closer and closer to the weekend, well, the onshore flow continues today. What that means is early morning showers, the bigger thunderstorms inland and over towards the east coast later on. But by Saturday, we start to see the flow weaken, and we'll start off dry. But notice the sea breeze front converge right down the middle of the state. And what that is going to mean is we'll see most of the showers and thunderstorms inland. A little closer look at today, and not much being spit out by the computer model here by 10 o'clock, but a little more bubble up there around 2 before they make that transition over to the I-95 corridor. And that will be the case again for one more day. Happy to report that all is quiet right now in the tropics as the National Hurricane Center not expecting any development over the next 7 days. And I want to talk briefly about El Nino. We are quickly getting into El Nino here. It is one of the fastest ramp ups from a relatively neutral cycle, and you can see that conditions here in the Pacific. We watch for that warming trend. What that typically does for us is keep our number of hurricanes down. Now, on average, we see 14 named storms a year. 7 of those are hurricanes and 3 major. And you can see the forecast by Colorado State and NOAA keeps us very close to that. I want you to keep in mind that it only takes that one storm to make it a busy year. Think back to 2018. That was an El Nino year, but that was the year that Hurricane Michael made landfall in the Florida Panhandle as a Category 5. All right, back here at home, we are looking at temperatures in the 90s and eventually next week warming up in the mid 90s for Wednesday and Thursday, where we'll see highs around 95, 96 degrees.